Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how have you been?
Fine.
Okay, good. I hope you are in a good condition today, so you can enjoy study with me, Mas Ferano Seva, for about an hour later. Okay, before we start to study. Okay, enough. Have you read your name in our WhatsApp group to be our attendance today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sudah.
Okay. Fardo Frenzio, Iqbal Andika, Randy Kurniawan, Revaldo Andeska, Ricardo Suci, Yohanes Situmorang. Okay.
Ini
Do you still remember our topic last week?
Procedure text.
Kita membahas tentang the purpose of learning. Yang adalah kalau dari pengetahuannya melalui diskusi yang kita sudah lakukan minggu kemarin, kita bisa menentukan satu fungsi sosialnya. Yang kedua apa?
Generic structure.
Generic
feature.
apa?
Language feature.
Kemudian dari keterampilannya, setelah kita mendiskusikan kemarin, arrange the sentence to make a correct procedure text. How?
To call person.
How to call person atau how to call someone. Okay, we review a little more about procedure text. Definition of procedure text minggu kemarin. How something works atau how to use instruction. Next, we also discuss about the social function dari procedure text itu. Dalam to make atau how to operate atau how to do something through a sequence of action or steps. Ingat ya?
masih.
Okay. We also discuss about the generic structure of procedure text. Berulang-ulang kita bahas di topik tentang apa teksnya minggu kemarin. Mohon, apa
How to
teksnya minggu
use
kemarin?
washing machine.
Yeah, how to use washing. The last one that we discussed last week about the language feature dari text procedure. Jadi ada adverbial of sequence, ada temporal conjunction, and we also discuss the difference between adverbial sequence dengan temporal conjunction, and then common atau imperative sentence, and we all the difference between imperative sentence dengan using verb, action verb. Siapa yang masih?
Action verb kata, imperative sentence kalimat.
Yes, we also use adverbial atau adverb yang express detailed time in the procedure text. And the last one using simple present tense. I think it's clear. Okay, I have sent it into our WhatsApp group. Have you downloaded or have you read it?
Udah, Bu.
I would like to invite two of you to read this dialogue. Who can read it?
Hey, Daryl, you can what wrong?
Hey, yes. I should print my clipping work, but I don't know how to use my printer.
I will help you. First, connect your printer to plug in. After that, press the power button on your computer. Then you should connect your printer into your computer into using data cable. Don't forget to put some papers.
Okay, I already did. And then?
Then open your web file. Search the print button and click it. After that, wait for a while.
Okay.
The paper you put will get operated, and it will turn on to be your work. It will turn on from that below side of your printer.
Oh yeah, thank you so much. It's helped me.
Yes, no problem, friend.
What is the dialogue talk about?
How to use printer.
How to use print. Before we discuss about this dialogue, coba perhatikan cara spelling yang benar. Look at the first sentence. Marco said, "Hey Daryl, you seem..." Bagaimana cara membaca? Apa?
Confused.
Bukan confused ya, tapi confused. Dan yang ketiga, will help you first connect your printer to apa?
Plug in.
Plug in, okay, not plug in, tapi plug in. Press the
Power button.
power, okay, bukan power, tapi power. And then using data cable. Don't forget to put some,
Papers.
how do we call it?
Papers. Papers.
Paper. Okay, wait for a while, okay? Bukan for a while, tapi for a while. The paper you put will get operated.
Rated.
Bukan operated, okay? Tadi Fardo bilangnya it's. Tidak ada S di situ, okay? Tidak ada S di situ, karena ada help di belakangnya, help. Jadi, it helped me, bukan it's helped me. My question is there a difficult word? Plug in tahu? Clipping word itu tugas clipping. Plug in tahu? Menyambungkan, okay? To plug in. Wait for a while tahu? What is
Tunggu sebentar.
Tunggu sesaat. Okay. We come to exercise. The first exercise today. Coba dilihat a table. I ask you to find what is the goal. What is the material needed menurut Anda? Kalau kita memprint itu apa material needed? Nanti lihat di teksnya. Yang menjelaskan tentang step itu siapa?
Aku.
Jadi, focus to the sentence that Marco said. Can answer the question in the table. What is the goal? What is the aim?
How to use printer?
Bagaimana? How to use print? If we want to print, what the materials needed?
Komputer.
Computer. Not computer, tapi
Data
computer.
kabel.
Okay, data kabel. What else?
Papers.
Right, Ricardo, Fardo, Andy. Okay. Who can explain the first step in using printer?
First, connect your printer to plug in.
Okay, kemudian
Press the power button on your computer.
next step apa?
Don't
forget to put some papers.
Some paper.
First, the print button and click it.
Okay. Search. After that apa lagi? Based on the dialogue above, how many steps?
7.
7. Sampai di sini ada yang masih belum paham tentang prosedur teks?
Sudah.
Sudah. Okay, right. I have the second task for you for our second meeting. You do this task and then send the answer to my WhatsApp. I wait until 4 my WhatsApp.
Okay.
But before you doing this, have you understand about this task? The direction is write a correct sentence to explain the procedure of withdrawing money at an ATM based on the pictures provided. Use your own words. Everybody who can make a conclusion of our material today.
Explain how to do something based of dialogue and picture.
We learn about dialogue.
Explain how to use procedure text, how to use something based on dialogue and pictures. Mana yang lebih gampang rasanya, membuat prosedur teks dengan menggunakan dialog atau dengan gambar? Mana yang lebih gampang jadinya?
Dialog.
Dialog.
Karena sudah ada kata-katanya. Oke, tapi nanti dicobakan menyelesaikan tugas yang tentang mengambil uang di ATM itu. Gunakan saja bahasa sendiri, tidak ada masalah. Okay, I think enough for today, and thank you for your attention. And see you next week. Okay, our material for next week is about passive voice. Okay. I will send and I will share the material to our WhatsApp group before we party. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.